So guys, what's up? I was gonna get ready to make you guys a video, but I crashed into something and broke the cup. The axle cup, so I'm waiting to get one of those. And I'm also gonna show you that I also bought new rims and tires. These tires are off of a Traxxas 4Tech. They fit just fine, they're staggered, because the original tires did not go well, especially with the other things I'm going to tell you about. I ended up getting an axle cup from one of my buddies as a temporary until the ones that I ordered come in, and I'm going to put it in today, and maybe I'll try to get a run out of this thing if I can. Just got to pop this joint right here, and then this will fall down, and then you slide your axle back into place, which is this, and you fit it into the cup, which just goes like that. And you just put it all back together, and then you put your 12mm hex and your pin through the end, and then you put your wheel on. Alright, so stay tuned. Hey guys, as you can see, this cup is good. I put the axle in, and we'll have it into that cup, and it's all tightened down and ready to go. So hopefully I can get out there and I'll give you guys a show of how it runs. Continue to drive like this and see how it goes.
Forget that day. No, no, never forget that day. No, 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 I'll be there. No, I'll never forget that day.
70 degrees outside.
No, I'll be there. No, I'll never forget that day. No, no, never forget that day. No, 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 I'll be there. No, I'll never forget that day. No, no, never forget that day.
Got done doing a couple runs with the Traxxas 4Tech tires on it. Softer tires, they're not staggered, but these are from Apex, and the rears on this are staggered, meaning they're a little bit wider. The original tires came with the exact front and rear setups, so they both would be this thin. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put these on the compound softer, and I just want to see how they hold up. We've done a few runs so far now with these tires. They seem a lot more stickier, but I don't know how much longer they'll hold up on real life.
Forget that day. No, 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 I'll be there. No, I'll never forget that day. No.
Actually, the power from the flux of the 3S spread the tires so far that it actually blew out and the foam is actually coming off the rim. Alright, so we learned something there. So far, the best tire I've had so far is the Traxxas 4Tech. They're VXR rated, so they end up that kind of power expanding the tire. Alright, so guys, if you like what you see so far, tune in, subscribe,